In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove line breaks or hard returns in Microsoft Word documents. Line breaks, also called hard returns, often appear when text is copied from other sources or when paragraphs are manually separated with the Enter key. They can make your document look uneven and disrupt the flow of your text, but removing them is quick and easy once you know the steps. Start by opening the Word document where you want to remove the unwanted line breaks. Click anywhere in the document to make sure it's active. If you want to remove all hard returns in the document, it's best to work with the Find and Replace feature, which saves time and ensures consistency. Go to the Home tab on the ribbon. In the Editing group on the far right, click Find and then select Replace. This will open the Find and Replace dialog box. In the Find What field, type $P. This special character represents a paragraph mark or hard return in Word. In the Replace With field, type a single space if you want the text to flow naturally, or leave it blank if you want to join lines without any space between them. Once you've entered the characters, click Replace All to remove every hard return in the document at once. Word will display a message telling you how many replacements were made, and now your text should appear as a single continuous block without extra line breaks. If you prefer to review each instance before replacing it, you can click Replace instead of Replace All. This allows you to decide on a case-by-case basis, which can be helpful if some line breaks are intentional and you don't want to remove them. Using Find and Replace is an efficient method to clean up large documents, making them easier to read and edit. It's also helpful if you're preparing text for publishing, converting to another format, or simply want a cleaner layout. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.